Hi guys, it's Matt from PLR Profits, and I am in the cold park today to talk to you about private label rights. But do you know what? When I was on my way here, I thought, what would you prefer? Me to sit here for 10 minutes and ramble on about how fantastic PLR products are, or for me to show you how fantastic PLR products are? So let's go back to the computer and I will show you how using PLR can boost your subscribers, boost your sales, and get you unlimited traffic. Let's go. Okay, so here we are in a short keynote presentation. Now, I just want to show you quickly how powerful a PLR product can be for you. As you can see here, we have a simple PLR ebook that you've just purchased. It could be a couple of years old, but the most important thing is that the content of the product is quality and still relevant. All you have to do is bring it bang up to date, rename it, change the chapter titles, add some really nice graphics and pictures, redo the color scheme to match your brand, and most importantly, style it to match other content that you've previously released. Now you may be thinking that's it, you've revamped the product, upgraded and improved it, and all that's left to do is release it, which of course is true, but the truth is you've only just started and there's much more you can do and should be doing, because now that you've got this great new product, you can start to diversify. The ebook can become a Kindle book, and you can publish it direct to Kindle KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, where with our help you can get to the #1 spot in the Kindle book charts. But we're not finished there either, because after you've published the Kindle, you can then create a slideshow, keynote, or PowerPoint presentation. This can also be published to multiple sites like SlideShare or Scribbled or Presentane. You can also embed it on your own website and allow others to embed it on their websites for huge traffic gains. Okay, so what's next, I hear you say? Well, how about separating the chapters from the ebook into a tutorial email autoresponder course? And that can be anywhere from 2 to 20 emails long. You can use these to give your email subscribers valuable daily or weekly content that can also contain affiliate links, to products, any products that you're promoting. But of course, we still haven't finished there either, have we? Next, you can transform your ebook into a captivating blog post, or even expand the content over several blog posts. If you feel the quality is high enough, you can connect with other authorities in your niche and use the content to guest blog on other marketers' websites, which is another powerful way to reach a totally new audience hungry for the type of content that you're producing. This can get them to sign up to your email list and become subscribers that buy your products. Okay, blog posts, emails, slideshows, and ebooks are all incredibly effective ways to promote affiliate links. Plus, a great way to build authority in your niche is to post questions and give answers on sites like Quora and Reddit. Those two sites alone can bring in hundreds of new and highly engaged customers. Okay, so you can see what I'm getting at now, can't you? But let's do one more. How about a webinar? This is one of the very best ways to engage customers, make sales, get subscribers, and boost authority online. A 2020 survey by Webinar Geek said that the average 1-hour webinar has a sign-up rate of around 67%. And that's because webinars are engaging and interactive for the audience. The great thing here is that you've already done all the work. The content is there for you. All you have to do is structure it correctly, and there's plenty of online information that can help you do that. So in just a couple of minutes, I've shown you how you can get masses of quality content and in multiple formats. All that content from a simple PLR ebook that originally somebody else created. But this is only the beginning. In our PLR Profits training, we'll show you how to create loads of other highly engaging content and how to use it to advance your authority, boost your engagement, maximize your profits, and build huge traffic numbers. So you can see now what I mean when I say to people that you'd have to be crazy not to include PLR products in your online marketing strategy. And now you'd have to be even more crazy not to take advantage of the PLR Profits training course that my partner Sid and myself have put together for you. At PLR Profits, we'll show you how to use PLR to take your business beyond anything that you can imagine. Sales, engagement, authority, subscribers, brand recognition. Whatever you're trying to achieve online, let us show you how to use PLR to get you there. Okay guys, demonstration over. The only thing left for me to say is thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you on the inside.